Hey guys, what's up? It's Rachel and welcome back to my channel, That's So Rachel. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and press that subscribe button and turn on your bell button, aka the post notifications, so you can be notified first when I post my videos. So let's get started. As you can see by the title today, this video is about what is in my bag. So basically what is in my purse or what is in my summer bag, etc. So I've been seeing this video idea go around YouTube for a while now, and I was like, might as well share what's in my bag, because I don't know if my bag is similar to a lot of girls or different, or the way I have it organized and stuff like that. So I said, why not share, because it's super interesting, really just to show what is in my summer bag. So let's get started. So the bag that I have is the classic, basic, you know, it's not basic, but I'm saying I feel like every girl has this Louis Vuitton tote. I should know the name, I'm in fashion, but I actually don't know the technical name because I just forgot. But this tote, so I got this for like a Christmas gift, and I loved the white checker print more than the brown checker print, because I love this, like, it's like almost like a blue navy color that goes with this like off-white, and it's nice leather and stitched nicely. And this tote you can take anywhere. Like this tote, like I call it the Mary Poppins bag. You literally can fit everything in it. Right now I could probably do a gym workout with it. It's about I would say a good 10 pounds. It's not good for my shoulders and back, straining and stuff like that, to have that amount of weight in it. But when you see the size of this bag, you're like, why not make it a Mary Poppins bag? Why not put everything in it, you know? So yeah, so I'm gonna fly through this pretty fast. Nothing super special about this, but I just wanted to like share just for fun and stuff and make a video about it. Oh, also, so this bag, so it has the white interior. You can customize it to have like the red interior or whatever. I've seen some of the brown checkerboards with the brown Louis V print with the red interior. You can customize it, and it has a zipper pocket inside. No cell phone pockets, which sucks, but that's okay because it has this matching wristlet thing that also has like another little pocket in it, and I love this wristlet. So I take this to like concerts or sporting events or things where I don't want to carry this big tote, because why would I purposely make myself look dumb and bougie going out with this big old tote when I can just carry this and it looks simple, sleek, and it still looks nice. So I'll start with this actually. So inside this, I literally just have like a pen, just in case like I need like a pen or something, and well, like my store key, and then my gym locker that I use for my locker at the gym, and then I have just like extra gum, it's like bubble gum, and then icebreakers if I need it, but that's really empty actually. Also in my purse, mask, backup mask. Obviously, we know we're still in this COVID outbreak, so it's always good to just have a mask in your bag on the go, because you really don't know when you're gonna need it or what places are gonna require it or not. Moving on to the matching wallet. Also got this as a Christmas gift. My mom got the bag, my brother got the wallet. It was so sweet. It was about 2 years ago. So yeah, clearly, you know, that has the pockets there. It has, okay, I'm not gonna like show all my crap in here, but you get it, you get the gist. That's a wallet, and I love it. It has like the button here, and it's just sleek. I love this sleek look. I know they had different styles of this wallet, like there's different styles, like there's a zipper one, but I love this pullover buckle one. So moving on, I have this little glittery bag with this little like silver flower thing on it. This was like a bag from MAC Makeup. It was like something with like a kit me and my mom got. They like gave us this free bag or something. I literally use this bag because it can like stretch and fit a lot in it. I basically just have all my lip glosses and stuff like that, lip glosses and lip balms and lipsticks in it that I currently use. That is what this is for. It's just a lip gloss makeup bag. So bougie. Anyways, I also have a whole bottle of Germex in here. I use this, I got it at Publix, aka the grocery store. When I saw it, I was like, I'm picking it up because it's a little bigger. Like this is almost like to put on your desk, but I was like, F it, like I'm carrying it in my Mary Poppins bag because I need it. But this one is great, love it. And then moving on to the next thing, I got a buy one get one free at Publix. So I got my icebreaker gums. These are the best, like chewy ones, the big like square little blocks. I love these. And you could do the share or buy yourself one. So I got the spearmint and then I got the bubblegum flavor. Just depending on what, you know, mood I'm in or whatever. Those are my chewing gums. Oh, also because you never know when you just, you know, want some candy. I got some Blue Raspberry Jolly Ranchers in my purse, aka Blue Raspberry is the best Jolly Rancher. Do not at me, it is the best Jolly Rancher. I got a bag at Target or Publix or whatever, and I just had some in my bag for the go. I have my sunglasses. These are just ones that I got at like a boutique store. Not fancy, they're just not even name brand or anything. I have my Ray-Bans. I may switch back to those, but these I just love because I don't have to worry about getting them ruined, and they're the cute tortoise shell. So yeah, I always have my sunglasses, especially now that it's summer. I have this little, you can't see it now, but it's like the brand Wet Brush. It's just like a mini brush for on the go because with the humidity and like my hair sometimes get tangled, like I always just like brush it out. So I have that on the go in my purse. And then I have my AirPods. This is like some fake case. I bought it like a kiosk. But anyways, because I used to have my Gucci bag that I had, and it was like the matching print, but whatever. So I keep my AirPods in here. It has a little keychain. I can attach it to stuff. So I just use these at the gym and everything. So that's why I keep them in my bag. And my last bag in my purse is, I forgot where I found this bag, but it says lipstick is my bestie. This is probably what I should put the beauty stuff in, but you know, the stuff that I have in here, it's not enough room to fit in the other one. So this one I have like body sprays, hand lotions, perfumes from like Urban Outfitters and stuff, and you know, Victoria's Secret body sprays. And I also have like extra Germexes from Bath and Body Works, just in case, you know, I run out of my other ones. I have a little compact mirror, little heart mirror. So things that are like beauty, but not like lip gloss is what I'm saying. So, because there are so many of those, they're so big that it has to fit in this big bag. So as you can see, I'm very organized. Everything is in a compartment. If it's not in a compartment, like, okay, the stuff like the gum, they can't fit in a compartment. So those are big, so they could just fit in there. And things like that, like AirPods, I want to know where they are, so I keep them loose. Stuff like that. My masks, I just keep loose in there so I can see them. But yeah, guys, so that's it. That is what's in my Mary Poppins tote bag, my Louis bag. As you can see, yeah, I'm very organized. I have everything in a compartment. Everything is in its own space. I have to keep it that way because if not, you know, I will go crazy. Like, so yeah. I hope you enjoyed, guys. That's the video, and comment down below what's in your bag or what's in your purse. Again, I love this Louis purse. It has done me well over the years, and like I said, you can fit anything and everything in it. But yeah, that's what's in my bag for the summer. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and I will have all my social medias linked down below in the description. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button and turn on the bell button, your post notifications, so you can be notified first when I post. Just make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!